Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we are going to tell you why do we need Power BI service. Power BI is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your data set through various visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about way to continue and why do you need Power BI service as a continuous process. So if you are a single user, most probably you will use Power BI desktop. That means you analyze your data, you visualize your data. After that, you have your data set which you can present in. But certainly sometime you need to stop there only. That means after analyzing, visualizing, and after generating the report, you stop there. But certainly it is not possible in every case. Sometimes you need to explore more. That means you publish that data. And publishing that means like if you have generated the report in your laptop and you are somewhere else, you want to access it through your mobile or certainly other laptop. For that, you have to use Power BI service to access that report or that data set, whichever you have generated in a particular Power BI desktop through which you have visualized it. So for that, you need a Power BI service. So in that case, you are the only one. That means you are the single user which have done it. That means you have generated the Power BI desktop. After that, you have published it. After that, you use the Power BI service to access it. This is how you will get into a Power BI mobile. While if you do not require all so if you do not require all this, you can certainly stop at a Power BI desktop without publishing any data in a Power BI service, because if you have generated that report, you can carry it in a single file or a USB which you require from, but certainly you cannot access through cloud. And if you require the cloud service, you have to go through a Power BI service. And in today's generation, cloud services are one of the best thing you should go for, because in that case you don't have to carry any particular database with you. You just have to access through Power BI service. But this is a case with a single user. Now we will talk about an organization in which you work, in which you use Power BI desktop to generate any visualization which you will publish, and using Power BI service you will share it through your IT guy. That means you are sharing, or you that means you are collaborating with someone in which you are visualizing. That means you are sharing your information with that person, so that person could amend something to you and you will change it in exchange with each other. So after certain point you will realize that your file is complete. Then you will share it with marketing guy. For that also Power BI service comes into play. If you share with marketing guy, he will use in a Power BI service or he can use in a Power BI mobile. So that's how Power BI service is helpful. So that's the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI service. So if you only use desktop, you have to stop up to you publish your data. After that, nothing you can do. But if you use Power BI service, in as a single user, you can access it from anywhere using a cloud service, or can access it through mobile using cloud service. If you are an organization, you can collaborate, you can share, and certainly it can be shared and executed or amended by other persons also. That's why Power BI service is applicable for those who want to work more on the data. So with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared between Power BI desktop and Power BI service. And if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helps you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.